Hello and welcome to Virtual Crafts. In this video we'll see how we can add an affiliate product to our WordPress website using WooCommerce. In some of my last videos I've explained how we can add a simple product, a downloadable product, a grouped product, a variable product and a subscription product to our website. In this video specifically we'll see how we can add an external product or an affiliate product to the store. Now what is an affiliate product and why do I have to add an affiliate product to my store? Affiliate products are not the products that are owned by me or any seller. Rather, they are the external products or the products owned by another person or another company that I will add to my store for their marketing. In return, whenever a customer comes to my site and purchases that product, I will receive a commission based on that product that is specified by that company or that person who owns the product. So affiliate products are basically external products that we add on our site to receive a piece of profit or a commission. Affiliate marketing is a very emerging industry these days, and by adding affiliate services to your websites, blogs or any platform, you can get yourself a decent amount of money. So let me demonstrate what we'll be doing today. I'll go to the shop page. Here I have an affiliate product added. I'll open it. Okay, this is an affiliate product. It is same as any simple product. It has the title, a description, the regular price, the sale price, the breadcrumb, and you'll see the description and reviews tabs just as any simple product. But what's different about an affiliate product is that I do not have an add to cart button here, because this product will not be purchased from my site. Rather, whenever I click this purchase now button, he'll be redirected to that affiliate link that I've added to my site. In this video we'll be adding an Amazon affiliate product, but you can add an affiliate product from any website or any service provider. In return, whenever a customer comes to your site and purchases this product, you'll get a commission for this. So when I'll click purchase now, it will redirect me to the Amazon. As you can see, this is the product we'll be adding today, and the customer will not purchase this product or go to checkout from our site. Rather, he'll be redirected to the Amazon and he'll purchase the product from here by clicking this add to cart button. So you do not have to own this product, you do not have to worry about its shipping, its packaging or anything that has to do with the product. Everything will be handled by Amazon itself. All you have to do is get the affiliate link for this product and add it to your site. This product will be displayed on your site but will be purchased from Amazon. So that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's jump right in. I'll go to my dashboard. I'll go to products and add new. As this affiliate product is going to be an Amazon affiliate product, I have an Amazon tab opened here already. This is the product from Amazon that we'll add to our site as an affiliate product. I'll copy the title of this product, let's say this much, and paste it back in the product title. Okay, here I have to write the product long description. I'll go back to Amazon and I'll copy the description from here and paste it here. Okay, this is the place where we choose the type of the product. We have already seen how we can add simple products, group products, downloadable products, variable products and a subscription product. Today we'll select an external or affiliate product. And you'll see that as soon as we select an affiliate product, the interface of the general tab changes. It is not the same for the simple product. So this is where we have to add the URL of the affiliate product. I'll go to Amazon. I'll get the link of this product from here. From Amazon we can choose the link as a text, an image or a text plus image. I'll choose a text link and Amazon will generate a link for me. I can choose whether I want a short link or a full link, which is too lengthy, so let's go with short link. I'll copy it and paste it back here. This is the text for the purchase button. It can say buy product or anything like that. I'll have it say purchase now. Okay, this is where we add the price of the product, but in affiliate products the price does not matter. As soon as the customer clicks the product, he will be redirected to Amazon and he will pay the price that is specified on the Amazon. Even if you specify a price here, he'll still be redirected to the Amazon. Now the price fields are given here just because we can add the price as a placeholder, same as the price that is specified on the Amazon, for the customer to see what the price of the product actually is. So I'll add the same price that is on Amazon, which is this, and I'll paste it back here. Okay, in WooCommerce we do not have the 1000 separator, so I'll remove it. And you can add a sale price according to you as well, and you can schedule the sale too. let's say the sale price is 2400 and it is from 10th of June to, let's say, 15th of June. So that's all in the general tab. I'll go to the inventory, and this is where we specify the SKU number for our product. This SKU number uniquely identifies our product in our store, so I can add anything, dummy text here. You can go through these tabs as we have discussed them earlier. I'll not get into that. I'll scroll down, and this is where we add the short description. So let me copy some from here again and paste it here. Scroll down and I will add the product image. I'll click upload files and then select a file from my computer. Here it is, and after it is uploaded, I'll click set product image, and the product image is set. You can choose gallery images too. I'll leave that part for now. I'll create a new category here, laptops, and click add new category, and this category has been added to the category list and our product lies in this category. So that's pretty much it. I'll publish this product. Okay, the product has now been published. It is live now and can be seen on the shop page. I'll view this product. And you'll see that this is what we have. The product title we added, the breadcrumb. This is the original price and this is the sale price of the product. This is the short description we added, the SKU, the category, and the long description. And one thing that is different from the simple product is that we do not have a quantity selector here, and we do not have an add to cart button. Rather, we have a purchase now button, and this text can be changed. It can be buy product or anything like that. Purchase now is what I've specified in this case. So when I click this button, it will not take me to the checkout on the same website. Rather, it will redirect me to the Amazon website, and I'll have to purchase the product from there. And in return, I'll receive some commission that will be handled by my Amazon account. So I'll click purchase now, and you'll see that we have been redirected to Amazon to the same product we added. So the customer can go through all of these details here, and to purchase he'll have to click add to cart here. So that's how you can add affiliate products to your WooCommerce store. Let me know if you have any question in the comments. That's all about this video. If you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon next to it to receive the notifications of every new video uploaded. Thank you and see you in the next video.